my channel. Today's video, I'm gonna do something real different because you know I've been popping out makeup videos. But today, bitch, I'm gonna make some cookies. Yes, baking with Johnny and what's your tea? So yeah, you already know me. I'm a bootlegger bitch, so I got the package ones because I don't got time to be doing handmade shit. So yeah, I'm doing peanut butter cookies today for you guys by Betty Crocker. You can find this at the dollar store or, you know, Dollar General, Family Dollar, around that area. So yeah, these are the peanut butter cookies. I was really in the mood for some peanut butter cookies, and I had some chocolate chips, bitch. So I might do that. That looks good. Do I have chocolate chips? Please tell me I do. Because if I don't, I'm going to snap in this bitch. But anyway, so yeah. So if you want to keep on watching, let's see how I make these cookies. Keep on watching, sister. Find them. Bitch, I'm going to make one. What you're going to need for the cookies, you'll need 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil and a tablespoon of water. I got my water. Hold on. I'm annoying, but anyway, so let's get her cracking. Heat in my oven for 375, and I have my baking sheet over there. I just don't feel like carrying it, but over here, like, if you can see, I'm still new with this tripod. Don't mind me, don't judge me. But yeah, as you can see, I have my station, and yeah, so let's get it cracking. So anyway, we're gonna pour this whole thing, this whole sheet in the bowl. So bitch, get out, ho. Oh, it smells so good. It's my peanut butter. Well, obviously peanut butter cookies, but wait, let me see. Some of it don't want to come out. Some of it is being a stubborn little twat tonight, huh? Oh well, fuck it. Anyway, you can really see the blue in this lighting. But yeah, anyway, so we're gonna do that. Let's pour in our water. I don't know if it's 2 tablespoons. Why did I throw this away? This has the instructions. Anyway, so this is estimated 2 tablespoons. I don't fucking know. But that's a tablespoon. And then we're gonna add 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Why is it so loud? Anyway, so yeah. Let's pour in the 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. I know you can't see it, but trust me, I'm doing it. Alright, alright, so then after that, we're gonna mix it. So let's get a spatula. Not a spatula, a whisk. Where the fuck is the whisk? Okay, so we're gonna mix it. And yeah, guys, I have a lot of shit coming up for you guys. So I'm doing a mukbang on Sunday, and I cannot wait. They didn't give us a lot of dough. Look, it's not a lot of dough. Okay, and then my birthday is in 2 weeks, so I can't wait. Oh my god, I'm up to turn 19. Yes, bitch, you already know. I cannot wait. I'm gonna do a vlog, so I'm kind of nervous because I haven't vlogged in a long time, but I'm gonna do it for you guys because I miss vlogging, and I know you guys like my vlogging as well, so I'm gonna do that. I'll keep on mixing this shit up. Fucking annoying. Oh, it smells so good. It's like peanut butter crunch. Captain Crunch peanut butter crunch. That shit is banging. Okay, so now what we're finna do, let me try to take all this out. I've been embracing the bareface look recently. Like, I haven't been, like, normally I would put on makeup just to put it on, but like I'm only putting on makeup now if I'm going somewhere. Like, I know that's the off topic, but bitch, this is why your bitch hasn't been wearing makeup all night, because I haven't been going out. But I'm going out tomorrow, so don't worry. I'm gonna be wearing maquillaje. Maquillaje. I don't fucking know how to say it in Spanish. But let me bang it out. So yeah, the next steps is you have to shape it into 12 balls about an inch apart and in an ungreased cookie sheet. Flatten and crisscross pattern with a fork. So let's bring our tray. Ta-da! So yeah. I'm gonna lower it down for you guys so you guys can see it. I don't know. See, this is how it looks. I don't know how I'm doing it. I'm such a bad person. Okay, so anyway, this is some bootlegged shit, but it's okay because just trust me what I'm doing, okay? So I'm gonna take the ball. My acrylics are gonna get fucked up, but it's okay. I only have, girl, look, I know I talk too much, but look at this shit. It looks like I got jumped by 6 bitches. Like, anyway, so I'm gonna take a little bit of balls. We love balls over here, hun. But I'm gonna grease it just because I don't feel like, you know. I'm gonna take a little bit of cooking spray and spray it. Anyway, so yeah, I'm gonna just roll it in a ball. Cause we stand balls over here, hun. Peen, peen, peen. Oh my god, I play too much. Okay, so the next step is to crisscross with a fork. So this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna bring you guys with me. What I do is put your fork right here. Don't mind my thing. It's really dirty. Do that and then do that. Making 6 at a time because there's only 6 cookies in my tray, and I'm gonna put some chocolate chips in them. So I'm gonna put a little bit. These are the mini ones. They look real small. I'm gonna put a little bit because that's what my grandma do. She be putting her chocolate chips in the cookies and the peanut butter. The peanut butter cookies look like with the chocolate chips, and now we're gonna put them in the oven. Cameraman with me, so this is gonna be really hard trying to do it by myself, but basically we're gonna put the cookies in for 10 minutes. So let's put a timer for 10 minutes, hun. We're gonna get some cookie, hun. Okay, so let's put it in. Sorry guys, wait, I'm gonna try. Let me see. So this is what it looks like, bitches. That's what it looks like. 10 minutes. See you guys. You only gotta wait for 1 second. Yeah. Look at these fucking cookies. Why the fuck they look like that? They all flat and ugly. Like, really? And some of them are burned. I suck at baking. This is a fail. But oh well, I don't give a fuck. Okay, y'all, so I'm gonna do the other batch, and yeah, let's fast forward. Okay guys, the cookies are all done. These are what it looks like. Some of them are burnt and some of them are thin. Like they look like fucking frisbees. You could, bitch, fuck you. Oh, it broke, y'all. Look. Like what the fuck? Anyway, let's do a first impressions. I wanna have the one with the chocolate chip. So let's see, it's flat as shit. I don't know what the fuck happened. I always have bad luck when it comes to baking. Anyway. It's crumbly. It crumbles in your mouth. I don't know what I did wrong. Like, is there any like bakers out there? Comment down below. Tell me what the fuck I did wrong because it's flat and crumbly. Like, ew. I like my Chewy's cookie. I mean, I like my chewy. I like my cookies chewy, but with like a little crunch on the outside, chewy on the inside. Yes, bitch. That's the perfect cookie. It's good. It just is really crumbly. Overall, I give these cookies a C+. It's passable. C+. Barely passing, girl. Because I don't like how, like, some of them are burnt. Like that. Like, some of them are golden brown. It's just a mess. But on the other hand, has a good flavor. It's just crumbly. I don't know what I did wrong. Maybe I put too much water. Maybe I put too much oil. I don't fucking know. But they're good. I'm going to eat them tonight. I wanted to do this video for you guys because I was bored and I wanted to put more content. And I want to see you guys, you know, to know that I suck at baking. So I'm happy that you guys know that I suck at baking now. So yeah, guys. If you guys like this baking with Johnny, please give this a big old thumbs up. And if you like this video, you already know what to do and give it a big old thumbs up. See you guys. I love you guys so much. And yeah. Thank you for watching with me. I love you, my little babies.